This class is being recorded. My name is Josiah Omezurike. I represent E1T1, and we have Lockdown LLC at the sponsoring partner. E1T1 implements educational program for those who have no experience in information technology and for those who want to cut over to information technology. And today, the program is on IT Foundation and AWS Cloud Training. It's codenamed IFACT. In the past, we've touched about the computers, the hardware. We've touched about installing, getting access to the AWS console and creating IAM users, giving them permissions, giving the users permissions so they can access services. We've also talked about AWS CLI, which are the command line interface, and we've also would like to talk about the PowerShell and what they mean. Based on some of the feedback that we are getting, these are important things that we need to address today. I encourage everyone to tell me what's in their mind. If we must move forward, this program is not designed for somebody to get an A and to be the best over everybody else. This program is designed for everybody to win. It's not designed, the pedagogy is that you fail well to learn of the opportunities that brings about solution. By so doing, only you can actually know where you went wrong and fix it. And that means that you know how to do it. So when somebody in your group fails, you fail too. So that's the design. The design came about because there's a rapid need to transform who we are and move forward before everybody else gets a grasp of what's happening around them. There's a lot of confusion in the horizon in the world that we live in, and this creates an opportunity for those that can see it. And that is why I'm busting my head trying to get this program going so everybody can grasp it. We've been misinformed, miseducated. It's time to unlearn those and figure out what works for us. See, this is the time to unlearn those things and figure out what works for us so we can get our job, so our children can get a job. We can get the job, the good paying job, not just always doing the worst job and working for somebody and all of that stuff. We should be able to define what we want to do. We should be able to sit in our homes and work online and make that money that's online. There's a lot of demand in the field. I sent several videos to make this very clear that there's a lots of demand, for that field and what we're trying to get ourselves into. For me, I'm determined to continue doing what I'm doing, but I wouldn't like you to waste your time. I would love for you to get a grasp of what's going on, even if you don't understand fully well. Eventually, you will get it, and there is no knowledge that is a waste. Every acquisition of knowledge adds to who you are and changes your life as it is. That's exactly when you implement it correctly. So, what am I saying? I'm saying let's communicate amongst ourselves and let's study these things together. Let's be open-minded and let's try to figure it out. That's all I'm saying. So for us to move forward, I would like to hear from everybody whatever problem they're having. We like to sort it out today because when you're pushing to know, you will have a need to do the things that you're learning. So let's move forward with the first person and let's address these issues step by step. So let's address the issues step by step, please. I don't know if Maria is here. If Maria is here, this is your chance because you brought an important question. And I would like to know who has access to the guide. I also like to know who's done some of the homework. And I also like to know where does the problem lie?
Okay, I'm here.
Good.
So in the communication that I sent out earlier today,
yes,
was just about starting with understanding the platforms that we're working on.
Yes, ma'am.
So starting with Amazon, and then the Git and the GitHub, and now Python, and just being really clear about the functionality of each one of those platforms, to know how we're working.
Awesome. That's great. So now I will take you guys a step backwards. Let's just go share the screen here momentarily. Let's share the screen, okay? All right. I might want to reshare that screen. I shared it wrongly. Sorry. Okay. Let me reshare the screen. I think I shared it wrong. Uh, Not that one. Oh, okay. Seems to be that one. All right. Seems we're on the right track. So number one, first thing first, the AWS console is pretty much a huge managed services, cloud managed services provider. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Now, what's interesting about this is when you're looking at AWS, it gets confusing. I understand, but I need you to understand specific things. Take a look in your house, your home. You have a computer, right? And you have a router, right? Right? From the DMARC. There's a router from the DMARC that the Comcast give you or anybody gives you. Is that making any sense? You have your computer, you have software in your computer, you have the router where you get the internet from, right? Okay. In your computer there's a hard drive, okay? And sometimes some of us have accesses to somewhere else, maybe a little tower they have on the side to access. When you look at all of that, it's a network, right? Isn't it? It's like you have a local area network. Now, when it comes to cloud, imagine the whole thing as being in a place where you can't even touch them. But whenever you go to one computer, you can just use a URL to access anything that you want. We are bringing that idea to you and we're saying this is the same thing as in the cloud. The difference is you can feel these ones here. They are physical, you can touch them. But in the cloud, you can't. But what is happening in the cloud is you have a computing solution, you have networking solution, you have storage solution, and etc. and etc. If you look at the AWS and you go, let's sign in. Let's just log in because we're gonna have to log in anyway. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use our console today anyway. So let's just log in. We log in into our console, and normally I always forget my password, but for some reason uh, I will use. I always have multi-factor authentication. Always remember this is an exam question. One of the best practices for Amazon services includes having using their multi-factor authentication for security. So I am going to get that number that will allow me to get access to it, which is a number that I saved in a software Authy, like AUTHY software that I downloaded the first day we were in class. And now I'm gonna take the number that pops up based on the username that I used, which in this case is Cloud Movement 12. So now I'm gonna put that number there. Once I put that number there, if it's the right one, it's gonna go in. We're gonna get in, okay? So it's the right one. We got it. Now I'm trying to answer the question Maria asked. When you look here, you see services. Let's click on the services. You see, in the computer in your house, you have the compute. Exactly, like your workstation, your laptop, etc. And you have the storage, which could be your hard disk, USB, flash drive, as they call it today, and all of that. And if you look, there's also database. So whatever your physical computer does for you, this whole thing, this whole platform is doing it for you. So if you have a laptop, You don't need to have many computers or servers. You can come here and set up your servers and your computers, and you only access it through a tablet or anything like that. When we say AWS, that's what we mean. When we say AWS services, these are the services that is given, like simple, EBS, Elastic Block storage. Like this one is Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 is Elastic Compute Cloud. S3 is simple storage service. Simple storage service. This one is simple storage service Glacier, and etc. etc. That one is same as storage, but it's for archiving and etc. This one is database, relational database services, which involve like Postgre, MySQL, and etc., Oracle, and etc., etc. DynamoDB is NoSQL is different. So the idea I'm trying to communicate to you is whatever we're doing in the physical world with computers, with information technology, they have taken it to the cloud, meaning they have taken it to a place where it's democratic. That's what AWS service is. Did I make myself clear? Anybody?
You did. You sure did.
Thank you. You see, when you ask the question, I will try to answer you to make it very clear to you. Now, let's go to the next one because I know as Maria is trying to help us
Let me ask a
by
question on this.
asking, go ahead.
Yeah. Now, so if this is what happens, and I have my computer in the house, can I do my storage in cloud from my own computer?
Yes, sir. We're going to show it to you in this class. We're going to show
Okay.
you the wonders here.
Okay.
You will see it.
Okay. Thank you.
Next. Keep the tempo up. It's necessary for me too. It encourages me. I don't know what's going on in your head. Only when you ask me a question and I know.
I think, I think you've explained it today, on simple terms. So I guess we're catching up.
Thank you. Now, Maria
Yes.
has four problems. It's not Maria peculiar problems. She's just trying to help us. I'm sure she might have read it. If she asks that question, she's not gonna ask a question she doesn't know anything about. She knows something. I know that. Now,
A little something.
exactly. So she asked that question to put the tempo, to push us to move forward. She's trying to carry everybody along. You see, she says the same thing I sense, that people are shy and scared to talk. This class is not for A and B and C and D. This class is for us to start doing things. It's not for grading. The people that graded us misinformed and miseducated us so we can give them raw materials. That's it. We don't need that no more. We have to start doing these things. And we have the chance right now. So Hannah's question was, the guide or the text, not really a question. She said the guide or the text is kind of, there's typos. So that's something for everybody. Like, they say security is for everyone. The document is for everyone. We're trying to refine the document so we can get to the point where we can use it effectively and our children can effectively use it as well. Now, another thing that we wanted to talk about is she mentioned AWS services. I explained that, and I also wanted to explain other important tools, which I really think we should install that tool today. Actually, we have to install it today. So that tool is AWS CLI. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that we install it today. I need everybody to go to this. I'm gonna push this to you guys. All right. So we're gonna go step by step, and we're gonna install it because I noticed what's going on here. A lot of people in the class are very visual. They want to see. So every class is different. I have to attack the problem as it comes. So what we're gonna do here is installing AWS 2. Oh, not this one. No, we can't do this one yet. That's another one I wanted to do before we do that one. Maybe we do AWS CLI. Let's do CLI. That's one of them. I think we should do. Okay. If we do that one, yeah, we'll be better off. And I'll show you guys where it is in the book too. In the book here, I made it very clear that in order for you to do anything, like it must interest you to know that any interaction with the AWS service using the IAM user credential must be done using module of AWS tools. For Windows PowerShell is the outstanding scripting language. Yeah, I remember Maria asked about Windows PowerShell. That so Windows PowerShell is a scripting language that's used in Windows operating systems, and it also comes with integrated scripting environment, which is Windows PowerShell ISE. And these are some of the tools that you might want to install, and I will help to install some of them today before we get into what the program for today is. So we're gonna do. I really want the CLI more than anything. So AWS CLI. Let's do AWS CLI, okay? It will be easier for all of you guys. That's why I want to do it. And I don't want to confuse anyone. Okay, guys? Maybe I should do it here. That way we wouldn't have a problem going back and forth. And everybody have their access key ID and secret code, right? Everybody have their access key ID and secret code, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, this is what we're going to do. I need everybody to be on their computer at this time. We're going to do this one for Windows operating system. If you're using Linux, you have to do it on your spare time, or you have to contact me and I'll help you do it on your Linux operating system. But for now, we're going to deal with the Windows one. So let me see which one is the Windows. I like to do, when I do this kind of stuff, I want to do it like live. I don't want to pre-plan it or anything like that, because I want to build that spirit in you guys too. So you can get the information, you can get it done. You don't have to pre-plan or anything. So, excuse me. I'm trying to see if I can find one for Windows. If I'm not finding one for Windows, then I will go here, installing, updating, uninstalling AWS. Migrating from AWS version this to version this. I'm not seeing for Windows. For Windows 10. You see what I'm doing? I go to Google, I type it, I find it. I'm not trying to make up excuses. I type it and I find it. And when I find it, I look and I read it, because I'm on the job. We are working right now. And I'm reading it. It's saying, oh, there's version 1, version 2. And it says, oh, same AWS command name. If you have both versions installed on your computer, use the first one found in your search path. So in that case, I will look at the recommended version 1, version 2 for uninstall instruction. But version 1 or version 2, which one will be better? That's what I'm looking at. And now let's look at the installing it. So to install it, it gives you information on how to install it. And I looked here. I think I didn't find what I was looking for. It says using version 1. I'm looking for Windows operating system, period. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, I see Windows here. And then I go recommended, installing, install, update. Yep, that's the one we want. That's the easy one, right? That's the one we put on the download on the Google Drive. All right, guys?
Yeah.
That's the one we put on there. So now, this is the latest version. I want to go to the latest version. My system is 64-bit, and then I've already installed it here, but I'm waiting for you guys to install it. Once you finish
You want to
installing,
do
my system is 64-bit, so when you click on it like this, it's gonna show. But before you click, I advise for you to look here. If your system is 64-bit, then you're good. This is the latest version, 64-bit. If your system is not 64-bit, then you uninstall. I don't see 32-bit, but install it anyway. Sometimes they are backward compatible, okay? So it says 64-bit version for Windows XP or later. Admin rights to install software. You need admin's right to install it. So when you're right-clicking it, you have to install as administrator. Are you guys installing it yet?
No.
All right, let me give you guys the link. Because you could also search it on the way I searched it. You can also search it that way. I didn't do anything special. Now you have the link. Just click on the link, please. And let's work together. Let's get this thing done. It will be the first thing we did together. Are you guys there?
Yes. So what do we do?
Okay. Once you get there, if you look carefully on there, let's see.
So I should open AWS on my system, on my computer too now.
Yeah, you see install. Remember, it's install. You look for the 64-bit. Download that. Yeah. Just go here. It says Windows. You see, it says Windows right here. No big deal. And then you look for the one that you want. I found it when I went down below. That's where I found it. Install, update, uninstall AWS CLI version 1. Install, update, da 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 da. So you guys downloaded it now, right? Everybody's quiet. I wonder why.
Is it a version? You said version 1 or 2?
Do version 2. It's an MSI file, you know. It's the easiest one to download. If you see version 1, do it either. Don't get confused. Whichever one you see, just download it. I need you guys to download this thing. Okay? Go here on the left-hand corner. Guys, follow my lead here. Go to the left-hand side corner. You see where you say AWS CLI version 2? Click on that and go down to Windows. Like you see how I went to Windows, like that. And then you look for it. This one is the one that's recommended. So I'll go to where it says recommended. If I were you guys, I'd check for the prerequisite, but it doesn't matter now. So just check the prerequisite, okay? Install or update to AWS CLI version 2 on Windows using MSI installer. It's a very smart way to do things. You check the prerequisite. It's telling you the latest version is this one. Okay? So what you can do now is just grab this one right here. Okay? You grab it. And then once you grab it, you run the MSI file. You go to the next step, run the downloaded MSI installer and follow the on-screen instruction. It will lead you through. Okay? Once you finish installing it, then you do this command to make sure that you have the right thing. Then if you have a problem there, then you know it's another thing, and then we will sort it out too. So the most important thing is to know how to do it, not just to rush through it. Like in school, you want to get the big grade, but you don't know how to do this stuff. Is everybody there with me?
Yeah, I'm trying to download.
Who has done it?
Mine is installing. It says installing.
Very good, very good. So you on step one then, the prerequisite step one, right?
Am I doing the right thing? It's talking about wizard something. I clicked on install. It's talking about wizard setting me up.
So when you click on install, it's an MSI, so it should give you a prompt, and you follow the prompt.
Thank you.
Is there any one of you that wants us to share their screen so everybody can see what they are doing? It will actually help you to be strong. You can just share the screen with us. I'll stop sharing mine. Any brave person there? Brave one. You will be better off when you do it. You will be the one that's winning. You will be winning because everybody is on your screen walking you through and you getting it done.
How do you share your screen?
I'll stop sharing mine now.
Yeah, but,
Josiah went on strike. I have a funky message on mine.
So somebody could share theirs.
Maybe I have to do it.
Somebody wanted me to send something to him. I'll do it real quick. Just give me a minute. I think ah
It's asking me to print something. Is that the end user agreement?
yes.
But
Yes,
I don't want to print.
Oh, you don't have to print it. Just don't print nothing. You don't need to print anything.
All right then. Next.
I gave everybody their AWS ID and secret key, and somebody's asking me for one now. I wonder why. Because I thought I gave it to everyone.
Josiah, did you see me sharing my screen? I thought I did.
No, I didn't see you share anything.
Hello?
Yes, I didn't see you
I
share anything.
did. Do you see it now? Do you
No,
see it now?
no, I don't. Sorry.
Oh, but I click share screen.
When you click on share
Okay.
screen, you actually have to select the screen you want to share before we can see it.
Oh.
You actually have to select it. Once you select it, then we can see it.
Oh.
You have to select which one. Are you sharing this one or that one? And once you do that, we'll be able to see you.
Oh, here
Now
we
Do you
we
go.
see
see?
your screen. So this is awesome. You go finish, please. Where did you go? We saw you
Yeah,
not
where did she
disappear.
go?
I think it went to my, I don't know where it went to.
Oh no. Just
I click finish. I already clicked finish, so I don't know where it went to.
oh, you stopped sharing with us.
No, I didn't stop sharing. Like, I'm still here. I
Oh,
think it went. Do you see my other screen?
we can't see you anymore.
Oh,
Mine is installed, but I'm looking for it because it asked if I wanted to make any changes to my computer. I said no, and
I don't know where to go. It's just, let me see.
I can't see your screen. I'm more
I
than
have,
happy to help. Now I can see your screen again. So
okay,
can you
but
show
I'm
us?
finished. I click finish.
Okay, you click finish. Now that you click finish, is it possible for you to go and show us the next step? There's a next
Okay, where
step.
is it?
There's a next step there. Let's see.
Not this one.
When you look,
Where?
there's a next step right there. There's a step one. You on the prerequisite. There's a step one is downloading the AWS CLI version 2. After downloading that, there's a second step. The second step says run the download. You've already run it. and you know where it installs. Just for everybody. Just for everybody. If you are installing it on Mac, on the left-hand side, you will see where it says AWS CLI version, different versions for Docker, for Linux, for Mac OS. You have to click on the Mac OS one. Let me share the screen again.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
stop
let me share the
sharing.
screen. There are some people that need my help right now. I have to show them something. I will be back again. Okay, I share the screen. So if you're on Mac, this is where you need to be. Right here for Mac. Okay, you go through the process of the Mac. So somebody just told me that the installation on their Mac is successful. So now they need to go to the next level, which will be to follow the on-screen instructions and know where the directory where it's installed. And then they keep going through that process and they will do all this stuff down here. They copy and check that. This will help them to, well, this will like, they need to know where it is so that they can use it effectively. For Windows, is this pretty much the same thing. You go to the prerequisite, which is here, and for Windows, you have to have this so that you know where it's installed. Just in case after installing it, it didn't work, you have to take that and put it in the environmental variable. That's why I was showing the Mac users how on their part, that side. Now, with that being said, once you get here, it's done. So you have to confirm installation. To confirm installation, you want to type this. So now over to you. Share the screen again with us. I'll stop sharing.
I'll share the screen, but I don't know where I am. Let me see. I don't know what. I don't even see what I did.
So bring your screen up again so we can show you what you did, please.
Okay,
So
that's my.
go back to where you install things. When you go back to where you install the things, then we'll from there we'll help you out. We'll start showing you.
Do you
Okay.
see my screen? Where do I go?
Yeah, I see your screen now, but you need
So
to
where do
go.
I?
Okay, I see your screen. Um, you don't need to do what you just did now. Remove that.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So what I need you to do is go and type. Go to your. I want you to check if
Uh-huh.
the thing is installed. So you need to run this. Do this. There's something
Okay.
you need to do. Go back to the instruction where the instruction was given on how to install it. I want you to go to the command prompt, type this CMD on the side. I'll show you
Where?
CMD on the search button, and you will see command prompt. Type CMD on the search button, and you see command prompt. So once you see the command prompt, you want to run it as an administrator. You run it as an administrator like that.
Where?
Let me show you guys, okay? Let me show you guys.
Okay.
You are getting there. You are getting there. No big deal. This is new to you guys, so somebody have to show you. So after installing it, I presume you guys are successful. So you go here. Can you guys see my screen yet?
No.
How about now?
Stop.
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
You want to go here and you type CMD. But now I did it. It came up not as what I wanted to come up with. So if I wanted what I wanted to come up with to run it as an admin, so I do CMD, okay, and I go here and I choose run as admin, right? That's that, like that. But if I want to know if what I installed was successful, I will come here. I will do CD. CD stands for change directory, and I will do dot dot. So that way it will move me up to C prompt. Oh, actually, it didn't move me up. Move me up one, sorry. So if you do CD like this, it moves you up to the root, which is where we are right now. Now, when you get here, you want to do AWS, you want to check the version of it. This will tell you if your installation was successful. It should tell you, like mine is successful, this is what I get. So check yours and see if yours is successful too. So once you do that, now you've successfully installed AWS CLI, which is a command line interface that can allow you to interact with AWS. Okay, it will allow you to interact with AWS. That's what this command line interface will do for you. All right. So I want you to keep that in mind. This is what will allow you to interact with your EC2, with your RDS, with your S3 that you have set up in the cloud. This here will allow you to communicate with it without going to the console, like logging in through the console with your username and password. But in order to do that, you're gonna need your access key and secret keys. Okay? And the region where your service is, and as well as how you want the output as you communicate with your service to be. In what format? Do you want it in TXT? Do you want it in CSV? Or do you want it in JSON, which is JavaScript object notation? So these are some of the things that you're gonna learn. And don't get excited or don't get intimidated. These are regular way of doing things. It's like when the shoe came out, people have to wear it because it's a part of their life. It's a tool that they need. Everything is a tool. Don't allow people that are using mumbo jumbo language to intimidate you. No, it simply means what it means, a tool. That's it. So has anyone been successful in checking to see they install it properly?
Do you want me to share my screen again?
You don't have to. Just write that command, AWS space dash dash version in CMD. It's not a sharing screen. It's about doing. If you do get it correct, then you can share screen with us and other people will be inspired. Wanjiku, did you get it done?
I see the dark screen, but I don't. Um,
Did anybody, Maria, did you get it done? Can somebody save the day here? One person, please.
I'm sorry, I cannot save the day. I have a really funky error message that didn't let me get this far.
Were you able to install it?
No.
What was the error message?
The error message is, let me try to get to it.
Can you share your screen, please?
It's not even up anymore. Hold on, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Mine also went up. I'm trying to see what happened because
Okay. Yours, what happened? What happened, Anne?
it went off at the point because then I'm just trying to see if I completed it, but it's not showing up anymore.
Did you get to the point where it said finish?
Yeah, it finished, but I don't think I put in the right thing because I was ahead of you then. So
That's fine. All you need to do now, go to CMD, go to CMD, and bring up your command line, command prompt, run it as an administrator.
no, I didn't get that far. I don't think I got that far. After finish, I didn't see it. So I'm trying to see if I can.
You don't have to install it again. You've confirmed that you did finish it. You installed it and finished it, right? And I'm trying to show you how you can figure out if it was installed.
All right.
That's all I'm trying to show all of you guys. Since you claim that you installed it, okay, fine. Now run this command to see if you really installed it. So all you have to do is just go down to your computer. Oh, sorry guys, my computer is doing something that it's not supposed to be doing. I hope that does not affect the class today. It's not doing. Oh no, my goodness, this is so funky what it's doing right now. Oh my goodness, not good at all. So, was anybody able to save the day? John, were you able to get it done? Did you finish installation?
I tried finish installation. I don't even know how it went wrong on my screen. So I'm just listening now so that when I get the video tomorrow, I will do it.
Did you install it at all?
It did not install. It didn't show. I installed it, but I didn't run it.
Oh, please, can you run it?
I didn't see where it is. I've been looking for it in
It's
on
in
my
the
system.
download. It's in your download. If you go to your download, you see AWS CLIV2. It's in your download. Just go to your download, you see it. You search AWS CLIV2, you see it right there, and you double click it and you install. It's an MSI. It's a Microsoft installer. Did anything change, guys? Oh, Cynthia wants to share her screen. Okay, let's see what we can do here.
And it's just me and you.
Cynthia, you said you want to share your screen or something?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, share it. Let's go through it. You use Mac, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So the process with Mac is pretty much the same thing, only that Mac has different syntax. So you will run the program PKG, that's what it's called in Mac. You have to run it, and when you run it, double click on the download. It will launch installer. Now you install it. You want to share it with us then, so we can see?
Yeah, I downloaded it and then I followed the on-screen instructions. And so what do I do now? How do I check if it's there?
Okay, to check if it's there,
Do I open this?
verify installation, right? So you go to verify installation and you say which AWS. You want me to?
I'm sorry, where?
You go to verify installation. This is what you have to run. Everybody, this is not for you. This is for people that are using Mac. Um, this is what you have to run, Cynthia.
Okay.
I'll post it here for you. This is what you run. This is for people that are using Mac. So you run which AWS, it will show you the version of the AWS that you have. And then you go ahead and you run AWS version, and then it will show you the version
But
of
do you
it.
want me to get? Is it on
I
me?
need you to do which AWS, then it show you the directory. Where is that?
This one?
I can't see your screen. Oh, hold on. Let me see. I can see it, but I just gotta blow it up. Let me see. Yeah, this is the spirit now. Okay. So did you see the command that I sent you already?
Where do I run this path?
You go you right there where you're supposed to run it.
And I paste it?
No, you have to run it. Which AWS? Oh, you have to go all the way to the place.
Where?
Where are you? Are you in your root directory? Home directory, sorry?
I don't know. Where do I go?
Okay, go back there. Go back where you were in the
To my
command
terminal?
line. Terminal. Go to terminal, yes. I'm not a math person, but we're gonna get it done.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that you were at the terminal just a few minutes ago.
I was. Here, it's back. Sorry. There we are.
Okay. Can you go? Okay, it says Cynthia MacBook Pro. Cynthia MacBook Pro. Okay, can you type which AWS? Uh-huh. Very good. That means it's in that directory. Now, can you type AWS space dash dash version? Okay, let's see if you got it. Yes, it's installed in your system. You're good to go.
Well, thank you.
Very good. Who's next? Very good. You saved the day. Maria, come on. Let's get it done.
I'm in AWS command line interface users guide. So
Who wants to come next? Let's get this thing done.
I'm next.
Okay. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead. No, you go ahead. Because where I am, I'm even confused now. I'm in AWS command line interface. They say users guide.
That's okay. You're not doing anything wrong. You have to follow what I'm doing. Like for me, I went to installing, updating, uninstalling AWS CLI version 2 on Windows. I gave you guys I copied the link and I gave it to everybody on Riot. It's on Riot. I can send it to you directly if that will make any difference. So what I'll do, I'll find you.
The link
I'll
is
find you
where?
here and I'll send it to you directly so you know where to be. This is where you need to be. I don't know where you are, but this is where I know you need to be. I've sent you the link. Get yourself there, and then we go through Maria and we get this thing done.
Now, will I get the link through my email?
No, it's on Riot.
Where's Riot now?
Riot is this. I am going to share my screen so you can see Riot. If you don't know what Riot is, how can you learn the program? You can't.
Is
So
it
let's.
right? It's on the messages, Apostle.
No, let me show it to him. Let me show it to him. I'm just gonna share my screen and he will get it. Once I share my screen is giving me a hard time to share. And that's why we have to grow the program so we can have better tools.
Yeah.
If we don't grow the program, if we're not serious, we can't grow the program and we can never get anywhere. If somebody sharing their screen, they should stop sharing so I can share. Nobody sharing?
Nope.
No.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I know what to do. I'm gonna go over to the other side. I'm gonna go over to uh I'll go to Chrome. I'll go to the Chrome, okay? The Chrome is where I'm gonna do it. It's not letting me do anything here, so I'll go to Chrome. So what we gotta do here is, if we can get everybody to get this done, then I'll be very happy. I'll just be very happy. That's all.
Me too.
I'll be very happy. Like, if you can get this part here, that's a very great beginning. Because every class is not the same. All classes are different. But the result, at the end of the day, the result will be the same. That's what we want to get. Okay. Now I'm going to share this. Okay. Sometimes I have problems with this thing, so never mind. Just doing the best that I can here. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going over to Chrome now. Okay, guys. You guys will be cut off for a minute. All right. There we go. So you guys were cut off for a minute now, but I can share the screen now with you guys. Okay. So now I'm sharing the screen, and what we're gonna do now is I'm going to help. Who's next?
John.
John, you next? Okay, I'm gonna help you. So this is the link that I sent you. So what you want to do is, you want to go to the prerequisite. Like I am on the prerequisite right now, and I
No,
believe you already downloaded this.
just say 1 second. Just say 1 second, please.
Have you already downloaded this? Okay, fine. Let's go back.
Yes. Now,
This is the link I sent you.
yes. So where
You
do
can,
I get the link?
the link is I forgot. Sorry. Let me show you.
Do I type it out?
Let me show you Riot. This is Riot. This is Riot. If you look carefully, this is where you are. You are in this room. But if you also look carefully, you can see that I sent you something in your private DM, which is right here.
Josiah, for us it says that it's Element now, not Riot.
Okay.
Huh?
So
Did you?
Yeah, Element is the updated version of it. It's the same thing. Element is the updated version. What I have is an old one, but Element they updated it. But I need to update mine. Sorry.
now this is my question. Where do I get out of my screen? Do I have to minimize this thing to go to my own screen to get it?
To get what?
To go to the other, what do I do?
But aren't you in the Riot already? How are you a part of the program if you're not on Riot? You're already in the Riot. You're here with us.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are with us, you look into where you get the messages. That's where I posted the stuff. And you said that you didn't get it, and I decided to go and push it to you personally. Maybe
The thing is, it will be there, but I don't know how to get there. Because I know you are working with a screen. So
you don't know how to get to the Riot. Okay, if somebody sends you a message, where do you get it?
I get it on my it depends where you send the message to.
You get it where?
It depends on the platform you send the message to.
Okay. Can you look into our platform right now? What do you see in our platform in Riot?
That's what I'm saying. I don't even know how to get to the Riot. Do I have to go back to my And
Can
then,
you share your screen? Can you share your screen with us?
do I have a screen now? I'm watching from your screen.
Wow, this is interesting. So you're saying that um hmm, have you ever received any message from anyone at all?
Yes, but the truth is, I have to be a platform now. So, do I have to go off this to go to mine?
Cynthia Wanjiku is just typing a message for everybody. Tell us if you can see it, John.
Yeah, I can see the message.
But why can't you see mine? Look at my message right there.
I can't. I'm seeing the message. What do I do with the message?
Click it and it will open the instructions for you to install your thing.
That's what I'm saying. I'm clicking, it's not opening. Because people are saying, can you, he said, can you see my message?
When you go there, put your mouse over there. Once you put your mouse over there, it's gonna show you like something like hand, and then you click on it. When you just go over it, and it's gonna be blue, and it's gonna show you like a hand. You click
Yeah,
on it.
I'm seeing John, this is Ryan.
So when you click on it, what did you get?
My,
Huh?
you see, like, normally you can't hear because the hand is not showing.
Wow. Maybe
It's not highlighted.
maybe you have a problem there, cause everybody can click on this and move on. Like
Yes,
just click
that's
on
what
it.
I'm saying.
It's not working for you. I have another idea for you. Now copy that URL, copy the whole URL, copy, and go to your browser, paste it in your browser, and you go where you need to be. Copy the URL and go to your browser
It's
and
not highlighted. It's not even highlighted. That's the problem.
huh?
It's not highlighted, so I can't copy it.
You can't copy it. Wow. All
I
right,
don't
let's
know.
go to the next person. Let me and you deal with that after class or something.
Okay, that's fine.
Who
That's
wants
fine.
to be the next person? Let's get this thing knocked out.
I think that's me, but I think I'm a problem child also.
That's okay with
Be-
me. Let's get this thing done.
okay, so the message that I got was that this file does not have an app associated with it for
That's an easy
performing this
problem.
action.
Can we share your screen?
That message went away. So now I'm back on the Google where I was looking up the version 2.
What operating system are you running on?
Windows 10.
Oh, easy peasy. So you downloaded it already. Now go to your download and look for AWS CLI V2 and double click it and the installer will run. That's if you haven't done it already.
I mean, I ran it. I ran it
You ran it
already. I
already?
downloaded it, and that's the message that I got that I just told you.
Okay. If you downloaded it, you got to the point of finish.
No, I got the error message once I opened up the run.
Is it possible for me to see your screen? At least let's uninstall it and reinstall it. What do you think?
Okay.
And do you know if your computer is 64 bits?
Yeah, I see the prereqs are 64-bit and have admin rights. I'm not sure
All right,
if I
cool.
have
Let me
both.
show you guys something about how to figure out if you have 64 bits or not. It's very simple. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. It's crucial that you understand what I'm doing. So you can see my screen, right? So if you want to find out if it's 64-bit, all you have to do, type computer. It's not complicated. Just computer like that. See? You type computer and you go to my PC like that. You see where it says property. Click on property. Once you click on property, it's gonna come up. It will tell you right there. system type, 64-bit operating system. Bingo, done, case closed. Now you are qualified. You meet the standard. Now what you have to do, you now have to go back out. Oh, sorry. Go back out. Go here to the installer. The link that I showed you. Choose your operating system, whether it's Linux, Mac, or Windows. In my case, it's Windows. I chose that. And then I look carefully because, the secret of the trade is to be able to read fast enough. So these are the prerequisites right here. See, that's the prerequisite. To download that is MSI Microsoft installer. You've already downloaded it, right? So
Yes, I did.
Exactly. You run the download installer, follow the on-screen instruction by default. This is telling you this is where it's installed by default. You can check there to see if it's there. Do you want to check that with me?
Sure.
Just copy that and go to your document or whatever it is and paste it there and it will pop up. Go to your file explorer, paste that right there, it will pop up if it's there. If it's not there, then it won't pop up.
Okay.
This is how I would do it. I will come here and I will do explorer. No, not that. File explorer like that one. And then I open it. Once I open it, you will have, once you open it, you have something like this. All you have to do, you take this, you paste it there, it pops up. Oh, sorry, I pressed the wrong thing, sorry. I was supposed to paste this. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. I was supposed to paste that one. So if you paste it here, it should pop up. Sorry. Paste it here. So I paste it here, it pops up. So I have mine is here. Okay, I have mine is right here, so you can see. So what about you? Do you have yours?
No.
What do you get? Go to program files Amazon. Just go to program file Amazon. Like, what do you get there?
Okay. Am I just going down to my search at the bottom left of my screen?
Like, you see, you do exactly what I did. I went to my Explorer, copied that. Like, I'll do it again. I went to my Explorer. This is my Explorer here. Let me bring it close to you. Right here. This is my Explorer, regular, where you look for whatever. And I pasted that thing here. Let me just do Amazon one. I pasted it right there. This is what I'm looking for, is right there. Just do the same thing.
I know I did, but I forgot about it. So I just put it up.
So were you able to see this?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you. Let's move forward then. So now the next thing I need you to do, since we were able to see that, is to go to your search. Some people like to do it this way, like run. Okay, and then they type CMD inside run and they say okay, and it pops up. Sometimes I don't like doing it this way because I want to do something different. I want to run it as an administrator, so it will allow me to do other things. So I do this and I go run as administrator. I run it as an administrator. And then I go to my CMD and I want to go back to my root, like the home directory here, to the root, to the very last part of it. So I would do this and I would take me to the root. CD means change directory. And backward slash is telling it to go to the C prompt. As you can see, so what you need to do now is to type AWS -- version. Can you type exactly what I typed, please?
I'm not ready. My system, it's not working for me. I'm sorry.
No, There's no way it's not working for you. Just go to the CMD. Can you get
Well,
to
it's
this?
not even recognizing that I downloaded the program at all.
No, you haven't checked. You just told me you found the Amazon folder, right?
No. I mean, I know what it's supposed to look like, but that's not what I have. That's not what's happening for me. I'm still getting an error message.
What kind of error message?
It's this file does not have an app associated with it.
Do you want me to
Can
help
you
you?
just share your screen?
Do you want me to help you?
Let me share my screen.
That would be very helpful. If you share it, then the problem will not be there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this one here. All right. So we're looking at your screen now, right?
I guess so.
I don't
Okay.
see it anymore. Can you
Okay.
show us where the thing is at?
That error message doesn't come up simultaneously. I'm not sure
Awesome.
how to get to it.
So I need you to do something for me. Just go to your thing and type CMD.
Down here?
Type CMD there.
That's not what we want, right?
The CMD is yeah, right. You just passed. Oh no, not like that. Make
You
it
know where
small.
it says at the top, where it says all apps, documents, and web and more?
That's
Yep.
right. All.
I think pick one of those. I think it's apps or something.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
no, no,
And
no.
next to the apps, semicolon, what was it? CMD?
No, not here. No, no, no. You off. I see what the
Okay.
problem is. Now I see what the problem is. Thank you for showing up. So you need to get used to how the Windows operating system is set up. That's what the problem is. Everything looks like you guys are just scared of nothing. Don't be scared. I'm with you. I'm here to help you get this thing going. What happened here is you go down there where it says search. Sometimes when you type CMD, it doesn't come up the way you want it to come up. So what I do on my own case is I go to the little window symbol and I click on it. When I click on it, I now go back to the search, right?
Wait, pause, Josiah. I know you're telling a good story there. So the window, I'm gonna type here.
Yeah, now type CMD. Don't move the mouse. Just type
Okay.
CMD there.
Okay.
Don't make it capital, please. Make it small letters. Window is creepy like that sometimes. No, you're searching the web. Okay.
No, I'm not trying to though. I'm not trying to.
Now leave everything like that. Just click CMD, small letter. Oh, going back. Okay, you can just search it there. That's another one. Just search it through. Search it through CMD. If all fails, another thing you can do, go in there and type run. Go in there and type run. If all fails, that's another option. Yeah, now type CMD in there and click OK. That's if all fails. Now, for security performance, this mode of Windows only runs verified app from Aha. This helps protect your PC and keep running smoothly. See da 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 da. This is the reason why I do it the way I do it, so I can run it as administrator. Because of the settings in your system. The settings in your system is blocking this. So now, go back.
Where am I going to, Josiah?
The same place. I want you to find the thing and right click it to run it as an administrator. That's all I want you to do. So
Okay.
if you type in CMD there, it's supposed to show you, or you can search in there. You can search where it says C, Windows CMD or CMD or something. You should be able to show it to you. Okay, let's go to, is that Office, People,
Here?
Publisher, Settings? No, not that one. If you type CMD again, just type CMD again, let's see. It's tricky.
No, it's gonna take me to the
Okay, okay,
internet.
okay. We just saw it and it passed. Oh
Oh,
man.
really?
Yeah,
Okay.
it just showed up there.
Okay.
Delete the. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, all right. Calculator. This. This is a very simple thing. I wish I was there. Ah, should have done this. All
You
right.
can't teleport, Josiah? Surely you can.
No, the thing is, if you look there, go to where it says more. More. Go to that place that says more.
Mm.
Let's see what we find there. More. Music, people, settings. Okay. On the all, there's no CMD in the all. So that tells me it's the settings. Oh, I see run again, but the settings is
Uh-huh.
not right. If you click
Okay.
on run, the settings is not right. It's gonna give you that stuff. So basically what we can probably do is take that error you are getting and Google that error so it can give us instruction on how to change it. While you're doing that, let's try to get somebody else. You take that error that you got, and it has to do with the settings on your computer that is not allowing us to see the CMD.
Okay.
It's not allowing us, so maybe somebody set it up so bad that you can't see no CMD. Mine, when I click on CMD, especially under all, I see it right there. I see my CMD right there, and I choose to run it as an
Mm-hmm.
administrator. But in your case,
Mm-hmm.
when we click all, there's no CMD here. What we see is a run. And
So I really need to change my administrator settings, right?
I think so. Try the quick searches there. Let's see what we get in the quick searches.
What are we looking for now? We already did this one.
Okay, you see the X on the right-hand corner? The X on the right-hand corner at the bottom? Click that. Click it. Let's see what disappears and what we can find. Dismiss all of that. Okay. You dismiss that. We didn't find anything we needed. You go to apps. We didn't find anything. We didn't find nothing. Okay, we go back to run again. Go back to run. Click on run. Let's do it for the one last time. And you go CMD.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, there's another way to do this. CMD.exe. So for security and performance, this mode of Windows only runs verify app from the. Hold on. Let me Google this information right away. Let me figure this one out. Hold on right there. Don't take it away. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
So you just ask Google how to make CMD come up without security performance error. Alright? So it's gonna tell us. So and we're gonna get over it. So access denied error when using run as command. Okay, let's figure that one out. You upgrade the computer as running prompt. Use the sc.exe command prompt utility. That's in Windows 10. Okay. Your Your security settings have blocked local application. All right, that's your security settings block local application, right?
Okay.
They're giving me a long information, which is gonna take us some time to rectify. So I
Okay.
think that we should take somebody else, and I will
Okay.
solve the problem, and I will send you the link so you
Okay.
can do
No
your stuff.
worries. No worries.
Joseph,
Yes.
I might have the same problem because I'm not the administrator. I have the work stuff remotely linked, and there's so much
You can't be this.
security.
You can't be the same
Yeah.
because we haven't checked to see if you are the same. So let's check
I'm not
that.
administrator. That's what I'm saying. I'm not the administrator, so I guess maybe that's why I got blocked out at a point because of the security. This thing.
Oh, you are using work computer?
Well, I'm working remotely, so everything is linked in. So it's so many.
Oh.
Yeah. So I guess that's why I wasn't able. But I saw it in my download. But I was also playing around with it. So I'm not
So
the
it was in
administrator.
your download, but you can't install it.
No.
Oh yeah, they lock you down then. So there's nothing we
Yeah,
can
there's
do.
so much security stuff on. I guess maybe that's one thing. I
Next
figured out
person.
when you were talking to her, I figured it out. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Ah,
So
she
take the next
removed that.
person while I also Google stuff. Oh my God. All right.
So next person, please. Only one person was able to get through. That's not good. Come on, guys.
Yeah. And I do that now. I got the link, but
Huh?
I got the link, but I couldn't do it.
So why didn't you do it?
It came up, and when I was trying to install it, I'm not seeing where to install and run.
You installed it or you didn't install it?
I didn't install it.
You did?
No,
Why didn't you?
I I am I couldn't do it because I don't know what happened.
Okay, can we
Yeah.
see your screen, please?
Now,
So we
yeah, I
so we
don't know
can.
how to share my screen.
You shared it?
Because, you see, I am out of the group. I click the new. I open the new window.
It's kind of
And
hard.
on
It's
the
kind of
new
hard to
window
hear
now,
you.
it came out there WASCLS version 2. Then I
Yes.
click down to Windows and it shows installing, updating, and uninstalling.
Why do you have to uninstall it? I thought you said you didn't install it.
That's when it is showing up.
No, I think you're onto something different. Another person here, please.
No, he can show John, you can share your screen. The icon is at the corner down there on your
I'm
left
asking to show
hand.
me the screen that I don't know what else to do.
I think I got on that same page earlier, what he's talking about uninstall, but he doesn't have to click there. You would have walked him through from that point.
You don't have to click uninstall because you are not
No.
uninstalling.
Mm.
You know?
Yeah, I'm getting you. So I do I share my screen?
I can't see anything.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at way to share my screen.
I have to make sure everybody gets it. We can't move anywhere if nobody gets this. It will be defeating the purpose. So what are we waiting? Anybody else? Anne has a problem. John, there are two Johns here.
Yeah. I'm so back.
Huh?
was myself.
Okay. I saw your screen and it disappeared.
Yeah, I don't.
I just saw it. I wish you can show it to us because we need to get this thing working here.
The time I lowered it, not knowing that, I think it was overdone.
But if you are doing this with your
This is
office,
my screen. Do you see it?
yes, I see your screen. So let's deal with your matter now. So can you take us to yes, yours is right. Run as administrator right there. There you go. Now what you need to do is you need to type AWS space.
Rider.
Yeah, but you have to first do CD backslash so that it can take you to the home.
CD.
Yeah, that means change directory.
Oh,
Then you
okay.
do backspace backslash, not forward
Oh,
slash.
base.
No, that's not space. That's a greater than sign. You don't need that. That's not a space. Sorry. Space is a space, like a space bar.
Base.
There you go. Backward slash, not the forward slash.
Backward. This one.
No, that's not a
Oh, that's.
slash.
What is this? Oh, this.
Sabina, come on. That's not that. The other way around.
Oh my God. Help me, Lord.
The
My
other way
friend,
around, please. Yeah, like that. Push enter.
I have like four
This is
friends,
where you
five
need
of
to be.
them.
Now you type AWS
No,
space.
she's even ahead of us. It's only that she's just
AW,
playing around.
like that.
Can you,
But you have to
Mr.
give it.
Ann, please, can you mute? I can't hear what
Oh,
he's saying.
sorry.
Can you give a space there between the
Okay.
AWS and your
Okay.
AWS is double A? That's wrong.
Oh, all right. Okay, I have to just erase the whole thing.
I think you should. Thank you. You see AWS space
Oops, sorry.
dash dash. You must keep the dash dash because it's telling it to look for the version.
Okay, is that right?
Version VERSION and you hit enter. If you installed it, yeah, you installed it. You're good. Thank you.
Okay,
Let's move to the next person. She installed it.
okay, I'll stop sharing.
So
Okay. Just now I click on the link. So I have the link open now. So what do I do next?
I can't hear you very loudly. I don't know why. It's a struggle for me to hear you. Like hard, difficult.
Wow.
So what I'm suggesting is this. You saw what Sabina did? Can you do that? Can you do that and show us?
You want me to do it again so you can see?
No, he has to do it for us to see. He saw what you did,
Okay,
but I'm
all
just
right.
asking him to replicate it.
No, yeah, just what I'm saying is now I want to start the page and go on. Say click on the message. So when I click on the message,
Apostle, we can't hear you very well. Your voice is like rattling
No,
outside.
I see he's open in two places.
Yeah,
I
he has
see
He's
to.
open in
He
two
has to.
places, and that's a
two
big
or
problem.
three. Yeah, so your vibe, there's so much noise. So you have to log out,
Log
go out of
out.
two of them. I think you are in all three. So, there's so much echo. That's why he can't hear properly. Mm.
Okay, if he speaks now, I can hear him. Oh, he's in two places.
Yeah,
Ooh.
he said it was in three. So he had to go out of the other one too.
He's in three places even.
He has to go out of the other one.
So Cynthia is good to go. Um, Sabina is good to go, and you're using a company's machine. You're not good to go. They won't allow you. And Maria, almost good to go, but I wish I had enough time to figure our problems out. It's just security issues, security settings.
Okay.
Well, I think John, I think he got off. Maybe he dropped. He got dropped off.
I think he dropped off. If he comes back, he should be okay.
Yeah, he's back on. John is back on.
Okay.
He's back.
If he comes back, he doesn't give up, that man. He should be okay. That's the spirit. If you don't give up, the only thing that can be constant is change. Things will change for you. If you don't give up, then change is gonna change very, very, very soon. It's gonna change for you, and you'll be okay.
Okay, now I have clicked on the link to start now to install.
Go
So
ahead.
I am on it now.
Yes.
The problem I have here is when you click on the link, it comes up now with AWS command line interface. And when you look on it, I go down, it shows me AWS CL1 Vision 2. And I click now Windows.
Yes.
Okay, now.
Apostle, let me show you where to share your screen. Can you pick up your phone and show you where to share your screen?
Okay.
Look at my
Mute yourself, and okay.
All right, so let me show you something. All right, look, do you see my screen? Do you see where the honey is?
Yes.
Okay, see, this is where you share
Use your computer.
Yeah, but
you come and click on your screen like this. Look,
Can somebody mute their computer so we don't hear?
yes.
Yeah, mute it. That's right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now try it. You should be able to share. Hello?
Yeah. I've now share my screen.
No, you log back on twice. The second one again.
So
you're going to be on
one. Okay.
Now share your screen.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello?
Are you getting my screen?
No, you haven't shared it yet. You have to click that share to highlight before you click on it. Oh, he disconnected again.
Oh, yeah, he got.
Yeah, if
I
he
just showed
disconnects,
him how
we can
to
hear ourselves, but when he's here, we can't hear ourselves.
do it.
I think I figured out what Maria
Okay, you
can
just
do
joined.
here.
Okay, Apostle, you are here. So you can share the screen now.
I'll put it on now. Is it sharing now?
No. There's an icon in the corner there.
Click on that icon and then click on your page, and then it will highlight the share thing. Then you click on share. That's what I just showed you.
All right.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah.
So is it sharing now?
It looks like it is. Just show us your screen.
Stop sharing.
It looks like it is sharing. Just show us your screen, please.
Yeah, but I have clicked on it, so I don't know if it's coming out.
It is coming out.
You're sharing, John. We can see your screen.
And I'm not seeing the screen myself.
It is your screen. We're looking at it.
It's your screen right here. We're looking at it. Can you go to CMD?
Oh my God! the numerous screens that are outside there, there are too many.
Oh, maybe you did it several times. Oh,
No,
I
he
can
didn't do
see
it
so.
several times. It's just his network.
Oh, okay.
It's his network doing that.
Oh my God.
That's okay. It happens sometimes. It means there's latency. There's a huge latency, and that's why we
Wow.
can't see you in one piece.
Why can't he search first to see if he had installed it?
He has installed it. He said he's installed it.
Yeah, but it is now there are so many screens in front of me.
Yeah, it's from your end. So what you want to do is you want to go to the CMD. Go to the CMD. We can still see, but go there because you can demonstrate to us and we can see if you got it right.
Apostle, go to your search down, right down there.
What it said, type here to search.
Down.
On your screen.
Tab here to search. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to type CMD.
Yeah.
That's right. Click on run as administrator. Run as administrator. Yeah, that reminds me, Maria Blakely, I sent you something that can help you to reset that app permission
Do
issue.
you want to allow this app to be? Now, the question is, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?
Yes.
Oh, that's why I clicked no. I guess maybe that's why it locked me out.
Click yes, please.
Okay. So run as administrator again.
Yes. I think, Maria, you should pay attention to see what's going on here.
But it is still asking the same thing.
What is this asking you?
It's asking me now.
It's open behind you twice.
Yes. Okay.
It's open behind you. So what I need you to do is do CD, change directory, and space, and you do the is it the backslash again?
So do I put my cursor down and right to go direct?
Where your cursor is, you write
Yes.
CD space
D.
/.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just have to off this phone, please.
Can you just do the slash for us, please?
Yes.
Not that way, the other way. I
Where
call
is
this
the
one /. That's why I call it.
Where do I get the other one? This one?
Is there. Just look
That
carefully.
one?
Yeah, this one. And then push enter. Now I want you to write AWS space
AWS
space dash version. And
dash
dash version. And this is in the document that I gave you. That link, if you read it, because this job is all about reading and following instructions. So this is dash VERSION version.
Yeah.
Version.
Yeah.
ION. Correct. Enter. So you did not install it. Or maybe you gave too much space down there. Try it again. Just do a top arrow. Scroll like the arrow for scrolling up. It will give you back whatever. Yes. No. You want to go to AWS version again. Scroll down. You will get that one.
I scroll down to where?
You see the arrow button? Scroll down. Push the arrow button. No, not that kind of scroll down. I'm sorry. You push the arrow button and it will change what you typed to the one that you typed before that.
So I push the arrow button.
There is arrow button, direction button, up, down, left, right.
Yes.
Push the up. It will give you back what you typed before.
It's not going up.
No, just push the arrow that goes up, down. Try either one of them. Something will change. You see? No, this one is what you want. Okay? The version is what you want. I was thinking you gave it too much space and it didn't understand it.
Okay.
That's why I was thinking I could be wrong too, because you probably didn't install it. So let's go back and install it now. Can you go back to the download? Get out of here. Go to your download.
You see, this, how do I close all these things? So many here.
It's just one screen. It's just one screen. Don't worry about it. Just go to the Internet Explorer. I mean, not Internet Explorer, your Windows Explorer, and go to downloads and run the file. Yeah, downloads right there. Double click. It'll open up. And now you want to look for AWS CLI v2. I don't even think you installed it. I mean, you downloaded it.
I don't have it there.
You didn't download it.
No.
So you didn't download it. Can you go and download it before us now? Go to your browser on the side where you downloaded it.
That's why I'm saying that when I open the browser, like it's open now, it shows me.
Go to Windows. Go to the Windows, which is the version of the operating system you are using. Scroll and find. No, not there. I'm talking about scroll there and see what pertains to the Windows. Okay, there are different ones, but you look for the one that is for Windows operating system. You see Windows right there? You click on it. Exactly. So when you click on it, you go into the content and look for where the prerequisite is, and you start working from that. You are going to the wrong place. You need to go to the body of the page, which is in the center.
Yes, that's why I say in the center, it tells you now installing, updating, and
scroll down and read the document, please.
Scroll down.
Scroll down and read the document, please. It's all about reading stuff.
Now, like this one say,
scroll down. Keep scrolling down and meet the part where you are looking for the information.
Scroll down.
Go to the place where the information is vital. You will know it by the signs that they put there and all that stuff. You will know it's important. You see, it says recommended. You see that? You see that? That shows you. And you have to blow up your screen so that it will be easy for you to see what you are doing.
How do I blow up my screen?
So if you keep going down, all you have to do is just click to maximize the size instead of having it so cramped up like that. Just go to the top right hand corner right here and click on that little square and it will be big. Exactly.
Small again.
Why is it not big at all?
So this one is not
No, that's not what you need. You need where it says prerequisite. That's what you need. Is there any way you can make your screen the normal size, please?
My screen now is showing 3 areas. I don't even know how to.
That's what I'm telling you. If you go to the top right-hand corner and click that there, it will be big as the space you're using. Okay, this is much better. Now you scroll down. Please scroll down, move a little faster for us. You have to get to the prerequisite. You see the prerequisite? That's what you want to install there. The prerequisite right there, that one, version 2, stop. This is what you need, version 2. This is the MSI. You click on it, and it will download it. Yes, click on that, it will download it. Yep.
So I save it.
If I were you, I'd save it in download. Click on download, so it'll be in download. Yep. All done. Everybody's watching now. For those of you that haven't done it, this is exactly how it's done. He's excellent. He's doing it. Now, when it's finished downloading, you go over there to that little arrow up thingy and click on it. You should be able to tell you what you want to do. Open when done. Okay, it's gonna open when it's done. Or you can open it now. But if I were you, I would say show in folder. That's how I like it. Because you already saved it in download, so it's gonna go to download folder once this is finished downloading. So guys, you see, it's very easy. It's just about following instruction. It's following instruction. Once you follow instructions, everything will be done right. And before we leave today, we have to divide ourselves into groups, study groups. And I'll leave that for you guys to choose who's gonna be your group. I can't force anybody to work with anybody they don't want to work with. So I think you have to click that now. It's done downloading. I thought you said it asked it to open. Okay, exactly. Run it. This is a very prime example. Next. Prime example, accept the license agreement. If this is not what you did, do it now. Next. Next, please. Don't worry about anything else. I just want you to go next. Go next. Install. Awesome. This is great. This makes me happy. We got 3 people.
And myself. I'm happy myself.
I'm more happy than you are. So the only person we have to deal with now is Maria. I sent Maria a link that will help her to have her permission set so that she can do what she needs to do. Maria, are you there?
Oh, yeah, I am. You send a link here on Riot?
Yes, ma'am. It's right there
Okay.
for you. It says go to start settings, privacy, and then select CMD.
Okay.
It will allow you now to bring it up.
Okay, Josiah.
Yeah.
You said we could divide ourselves in groups. So how many people are there? That's the thing. We don't even know how.
We have 6 people right now, and the way it works, I know Hannah will be back because she's dealing with some stuff. We have 6 people now, so you can split yourself in 3. We have 8 domains. We have 8 domains in the CISSP, and right from now, I will tell you that I'm gonna split that domains amongst you guys. So
hey guys, I just wanted. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
Finish.
No, I was just gonna say Hannah and I live close to each other. We already talked earlier today, so we're definitely going to be working together.
Oh, okay. That's Maria and Hannah, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's fine.
I have a question. Can we do 3-3 instead of 2? We had 6.
If we do 3-3, that means each. Okay, let's do 3. That means each group is gonna do four chapters in CISSP. So now we're gonna share the 4 chapters right now. Once we are certain that we have formulated our groups, it seems like this class is gonna be a small class from what I'm seeing, because a lot of people were quiet. The ones that show up today, I guess, are the ones that are gonna continue. From my experience, I don't know.
Barry is going to continue. It's just like he went for something this night.
Oh, okay. So if we split the group into 4 then
So
there's a young man called Iram. He doesn't speak much. What's going on with him?
Oh my gosh.
Am I all right?
Okay, you are done. You are done. So now go to the CMD and check those things you checked before. This time it's gonna be easy for you because you're gonna use up and down arrow to get all those commands. I'm teaching you tricks because we don't have time. We are catching up. We can't waste time. We have to work together. So we have to, yes, go to run as administrator and use up down arrow to catch up with the old commands that you already ran. And we have to teach ourselves. So Iram, is he okay? Is he getting what we're doing?
So what do I go? How do I go here?
Oh, you have to do just my instructions will help you.
Yes.
Up down arrow. Click the up down arrow. That's a shortcut instead of wasting time, precious time. Just click up down arrow because you've typed it before. It will show up. What you need will show up.
It's not coming.
All right, just type CD space.
Do I have to put a space before the CD?
CD space. You put space now, and you do that backward, what I call front slash.
Okay. Yeah.
No, you do CD first. You're telling the computer to change directory. That's what you're telling it. Change directory to the root.
Yeah.
Space. Yes, you're telling it change directory to the root. Now you're gonna click enter. Once you click enter, it's gonna go back to the C prompt. Your battery is running low. Oh my goodness. And you're almost there.
No, 1 second. Let me just put on the charger, please.
Okay. So Maria, I think you have a way to solve your problem. And we're gonna split ourselves into 3, like somebody suggested, like Sabina suggested. That means each group is gonna take up the duty of. I'm gonna show you. Each group we do. There's 8 topics in CISSP. So you write a paper on CISSP. You write a paper on all these domains on CISSP. So the first group we choose domain 1 to 4, and the second group we choose domain 5 to 8. And you will write it. It will be a very good, well-written paper, and you copy it and paste it in the document. So you're gonna paste it here. This is where you're gonna paste it, because if you look here, we don't have CISSP here. We purposefully removed it because we want everybody to
Where are you showing? I don't see what you're showing.
After him, I will show you guys. Don't worry.
Let me just finish, please.
Yeah, after him, he's almost done. I will show you guys. Now, what you do is AWS space -- version. Once you do that, you should be able to have a good result. No, you're too excited. You forgot --
It is space or dash?
It's space -- space -- now version. All right, so you push enter. You have installed it. We won. So that's that. We have 5 minutes to wrap up. So you're good. Thank you very much for your
Thank you.
tenacity.
I appreciate it.
Thank you very
Stop
much for
sharing,
your
Apostle.
tenacity. So the next class we're gonna go through a lot of topics, but I'm glad we're doing this now. That's awesome. So let's wrap this up. The next class we're gonna put in a few more hours in so we can catch up. What's important is that you guys understand what's going on, not just passing classes, cramming stuff. You need to know how to do this stuff. All right, for CISSP, we have, as you can see right here, we have 8 domains. Some of you might have been in IT industry. We have 8 domains, so each group we choose.
And I don't see. Is Apostle gonna stop sharing?
Apostle, stop sharing. Thank you, Apostle.
How do I stop sharing?
I've
Click
already
this.
I've already
Click
taken
that.
care of it. Don't worry. He's gone now, ain't it?
No, I'm joining back again.
No, you have to go.
Apostle, you are on already. Don't share your screen again.
No, stop laughing at him. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay.
It's okay. We understand. You understand why we are laughing.
Okay. All right. This is what we're gonna do. So this is security CISSP. Okay. So what you guys gonna do is the one group we take from domain 1 to 4, and I have given places to get the information that you need in the schedule, and I've given you videos to watch in the schedule. If you don't have it, let me know. I'll give it to you. So you can find online CISSP book PDF. Your group, you guys gonna study that. You guys wanna share it amongst yourself anyhow you like, and you're gonna populate all this information here based on what you read on each of the domains. You populate all this information. Done. The reason why I'm doing this is because when you go get a job and when you're out there and when people talk about security, you already know what it's all about. All the 8 domains, you already know. I'm not doing it for you to be the best and the best and the best out there. I'm doing it for you to have an opportunity to say, you know what, I like this. When we are studying it, I really like it. I want to pursue it. Okay? So I'm trying to expose you guys everywhere possible to know what's going on. And I'm glad that we did what we had to do today. It's not always about rushing through stuff, but having to make sure that the people understand what's going on. Now, before we go, I have to take you guys back to some of the work that we have ahead of us. And I also encourage the groups to go back to the homework and get all the homework accomplished. I'm open to take questions. Now, this is what we're supposed to do today. I was supposed to explain operating system to you guys and introduce you guys formally to programming languages and stuff. That's what I was supposed to do here. But we didn't do it. Instead, we went back to here and we did this part, right? We did some of the stuff that we missed out over here, which I think it was important to get that cleared out because some of you were getting lost. So now the work we have to do now is we have to go and get these things done. We have to get, you guys already gotten this one done. You have to get all this one done. You guys have to work in group and get all this stuff done and turn it in. Okay? And I'm gonna go post more homework for you guys so that every time we study something, we have to show that this is what we did to help us understand the concept. So how do you guys feel today about the program? Is it making sense?
Yeah, it's getting better.
Exactly. So what we did today is set ourselves up with the programmatic way of interacting with AWS without going to the console. We set ourselves up with that. So next time, in the nearest future, we'll go ahead and do some amazing stuff that will prove to you that what you're doing is the right thing. Okay, I encourage you guys to keep coming. Don't give up, and keep coming to the class. Everything is not gonna be clear to you at the initial start, okay? But it's gonna be clearer as you go ahead and avail yourself to the program. And now this is Josiah again. I thank you guys for showing up. We thank our sponsor, Lockdown LLC, and we also thank everyone who watched us or who is watching right now. And we really appreciate that. And as you well know, E1T1 is the implementation partner to IT Foundation and AWS Cloud Training, which we codename IFACT. I thank you again, and till next time. Bye for now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you all. So we have a lot of work to do next
Thank you.
this coming Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
All
Yeah,
right.
I'll be reaching out to you, Josiah.